What's up, YouTube? This is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another episode. Today we're going to build some raised garden beds. Here's what I started with. My old beds were too short and they were rotting out and it was time to replace them. So I'm going to do something better. These are going to be roughly 4x4. So I'm going to cut these 2x6s down to 4-foot pieces. Okay, let's do that 12 more times. Now I'm going to use 4x4 for post, and I want them to be about 16 inches long, 16.5 inches actually, because that's how tall my beds are going to be. That's about it. We're just about ready to assemble them. I think I'm going to pre-drill the holes on the 2x6s, and so anyway, let's get them laid out. Decided to add another feature. I added this 2x4 across the top. I mitered them, but that's mainly so that you can comfortably sit here and work on the garden and you have a nice comfortable place to sit. Can't sit on it right now because I don't have it screwed down. Let's get it screwed down. Okay, and here's the finished product. 2 brand new raised garden beds. I love it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.